Well, our stretch of phenomenal weather, unfortunately, is coming to an end. Rain is on the way, and we could also see some storms.
Chief Meteorologist Kate Bilo is back with your next weather alert. Kate?
That's right. We have issued a next weather alert for tomorrow because this rain and the chance for a few thunderstorms will really impact the vast majority of your day, and it all depends on where you are as far as the timing is concerned. Let's start off with a look at the city of Philadelphia, and we'll take a look at precipitation chances as we go through the overnight and into the early morning hours tomorrow. We see 10 to 20% chance of precipitation overnight. That's just mainly scattered showers, a few popping up. It's really midday tomorrow that things start to get underway in the city of Philadelphia. Between 11 a.m. and noon, that's when some steadier rain will move in. I think the heaviest in Philadelphia, at least, is between about noon and 6, and then it starts to lift on out. This is starting to evolve and looking more to me like a rain event with embedded thunderstorms versus a widespread severe weather event, which of course is good news. We don't want severe weather, but there could be some embedded gusty storms with this line moving through. That's something we will have to watch very closely because there are a lot of components to this storm. We have a strong cold front, which is right here. Prefrontal showers right now moving through Ohio. Some of the wild card factors, though, are these areas of moisture down over the deep south. If some of that gets pulled northward into our area, it could enhance the rainfall and it could produce more wind shear. And wind shear is an important component in developing severe weather and developing a tornado threat, which looks low for our area. But again, there are still some wild card scenarios with this event tomorrow. I think it's mainly rain again, marginal risk of severe weather, but a few gusty storms will fire up in the afternoon and evening. Tonight, clouds continue to build. We'll drop down to the upper 50s, low 60s, depending on your location. Warmer the farther south and east you go. Tomorrow, we'll likely hit 70 for the high. Again, if you have things to do them in the morning, especially in the city and points east. It looks like up until about noon, just some spotty showers, but then the storm chance increases throughout the afternoon. So let's set this into motion. Timing wise, you can see overnight, nothing really happening, just a few scattered showers. This is 10:30, 11 a.m. Most of the rain is still off to the west at this point, and it will be heavy. Notice how the rain is kind of moving from south to north throughout the morning. That will lead to the risk for localized flooding, especially in parts of Lancaster, Berks, the western Lehigh Valley, and the Poconos. Once we get toward about 3 o'clock, though, that's when some heavy downpours are setting up over Philadelphia. That's when you're starting to get more severe wind potential, especially around the city, I-95 and points north and west. Heavy rainfall down the shore. The good news is it does look like this is going to start to wrap up rather rapidly tomorrow evening. And while there could still be some scattered showers by about 6:30 or 7 o'clock, it looks like it's going to fall apart as well. So severe threats, heavy rain, I think, is now going to be the biggest threat, especially to the far north and west. Strong winds as well with any storm that does form, a very low risk of hail and an isolated tornado. As far as the rain is concerned, again, the worst of it, north and west, right here where you see the red, that's where some spots could pick up over 2 inches of rain. Looks like more like a ½ inch to an inch with limited flooding potential in the city of Philadelphia, but expect a slow evening commute. Friday, the Phillies are back in town, 66 degrees. I sadly have to put the logo back on Saturday as well, but it's going to be a beautiful day. Nice for the Eagles as well, and then turning colder by the early part of next week. Yuki and Jess, back over to you.
All right, Kate, thanks so much.